Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create WP forms or contact forms or inquiry forms in your WordPress website. And now here on the left hand side you need to select this plugins option, go to install plugins and click on add new plugin, and in the search bar type WP forms. By using this WP forms you are going to create contact us forms in our website. Please do click on install now and now activate it. After activating, so here on the left side you will see this option like WP forms. Please click on this, and here you need to click on this add new form, and here you will see there are a lot of pre-built templates are available here. Simple contact form or else newsletter form, automobile. Here you can see there are more than 2000 templates are available for different purposes, so you can check these templates. If you want to view these templates, just click on this lesson plan form. This is a automobile exchange information form. This is automobile information form. If you want to visit this, view this, you can just click on this view demo option. So that's how it will look like. If you want to use this, you can click on this use template. Before going into video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Balasagar and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant, and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly. As per now, I want to create a blank form from scratch. So just click on this blank form, click on this create blank form. And here we need to first I want to add a name. So let me select name. Let me drag and drop it over here. After selecting the name, you can select the name, and here I need only simple name. Okay, and go to advanced option. Here let me make the field size as large, and here in general section, if the users wants to give their full name compulsory and it should be required, so you can enable this required option. Okay, and also next go to advanced add fields, and here now we need to add email. So just to select this email and drag and drop it over here, and please do select this email, and it is also required. Go to advanced option, make this field size as large, and again go to add fields option, and now we need name, email ID, and now phone number. Just click on this numbers option and drag and drop it over here. Now select this number and add as phone number, and phone number is also required. Please do enable this, and after go to advanced options and click on large option, and now go to again click on this advanced add fields option, and here we need to add message. So in order to add message, we need to select this paragraph text and drag and drop it over below this phone number. Let me drag below this phone number, and here let me add as message text, and go to advanced option, make these field size as large. Okay, after adding all these details, please click on this save option. So here we have added for contact form details, we have added name, email ID, phone number, and message. And now go to settings. In general settings, here you need to add the contact us form name. Okay, let me add as contact us form name, and go to notifications option, and here you can add email address to which email ID the form details should be received. Okay, and here by default it will show like administrator email. If you want to add another email, just you can keep comma and you can add your email ID. Okay, and also you can give subject name as contact us form. Okay, and you can add form name also like web developer or as per your business name. Okay, and after that adding these details, please click on this save option, and please do close this. And here you can see we have added this contact us form. We have created this contact us form just now. Okay, and after creating the contact us form, we need to insert this contact form in the contact us page. Okay, so let's go to our website. Let's visit our website. Let me go to contact us page, and in this contact us page, let me click on edit with Elementor. So here by default I am using Elementor page builder. For Elementor page builder, you can add contact us form over here. Already it is added over here. So if you want to add new contact us form, just click on this plus option, and please do select this plus and select the flexbox container. I want to select this structure, and then here I will add contact us form. Okay, let me select this main container, go to advanced tab, and let me add margin as 50, and let me select this add element, and in the search bar type WP forms. So this is a element, it will be visible. Let me drag and drop it in the middle sub container. So here you need to select the form we have created just now. So let me select this contact us form. Here you can see we have successfully inserted a contact us form. So here you can see that's how after selecting the contact us form, please click on publish option and click on view preview changes, and here you can see we have successfully added the contact us form in contact us page. If you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel, WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video, it will help you. Thank you.